The first half of this video is starlings in flocks flying around the North Burial Ground. There's some pretty cool pictures, and I'll show you some of them in slow motion. I mean, one of the things that seems so cool is when they slow down the birds in this section, that they turn around and land facing the direction they were coming from. Here you go in slow motion. I'm always trying to get pictures of starlings flying in flocks. They fly so beautifully together. I'm not very good at it, and you know, it's moving, they're fast. Here's another good shot. And then this last one is probably my best one of the year for a starling murmuration. The rest of this video is 9 short clips of swifts flying around. They're just so fast that I had to throw the whole thing into slow motion because they go through the screen so fast. They're also pretty far away and small, so I'm not sure how well this is going to work for you, but a minute of swifts in slow motion.